Welcome. Today, we will show the gutter installation procedure.
First, prepare all the required tools and materials. Make sure everything is complete before starting the installation. Measure the installation area carefully. Accurate measurements help ensure the gutter fits correctly. Mark the gutter position and ensure the correct slope for proper water drainage. Install the gutter brackets. Secure each bracket firmly and maintain equal spacing for better support. Place the gutter onto the brackets and fasten it securely. Check that the gutter is properly aligned. Connect the gutter joints and install the outlet. Ensure all connections are tight to prevent water leakage. Install the downpipe and secure it with pipe clips. Make sure it is straight and firmly attached. Finally, inspect the entire installation, clean the work area, and confirm the gutter is ready for use.